got going on?
Okay, guys, so we've got an upper, lower, E85.
What?
Kenny, oh wait, shit.
Wrong car.
Wrong car.
We've got a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk stock, except for a big whale dick intake.
And also, I'm going to be changing this to the liver night one because.
Oh, if anyone's okay, don't scratch it. If anyone's interested in a B Woody, let us know.
Let me know.
So B Woody, muffler delete, and that's about it. Driver mod, cause it's an auto.
Driver mod.
We've got Tick Tick Tang Stang over here. So this is a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, auto 10-speed, completely stock. Oh wait, no, it's not anymore.
Wait, what was that? What
do you hear?
Oh, you want to lose? Okay.
Oh, I thought you heard the ticking.
Actually, what is that?
It's the stupid pump thing. Okay, so this actually does have an E85 Lund Racing tune, so it's actually not completely stock. However, still has catalytic converters, mufflers, stock intake, everything stock, except it's got an E85 tune. So,
and we've got Kennedy in the passenger seat, so.
Kevin's got no weight in there.
Yeah.
He's got lightweight mod.
Yeah, 5,500 pounds. Okay, so what are we running today?
So we'll do 40 is good for me, but we'll do eco first, and then we'll do the full.
Are we doing? Do you spin in going 20 or no? Well, I don't know where we would.
Yeah,
do 20.
it would spin.
Okay.
We can try it on the way back on that little one, that small access road on the way back.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna run these two.
This is for all the marbles, people.
Seriously, this is the most anticipated
it's a Canes
race
card.
of the year. $64 or $68 from my live chat.
Okay, so we got $68, and then we have a $60 gift card from Canes.
Yep, Derek Dowdy.
So shout out to Derek Dowdy for that. He actually dropped it off at the gym. Anything else, or is that it?
My pride. And Kevin's pride also.
I don't know.
Kevin's $100,000 Jeep versus my $28,000 used Mustang.
Oh yeah, it is 100.
This is 100,000. This is the most anticipated race of the year. Place your bets, place your family, place your kids, place your.
Call your mama and put a bet down.
All right, guys, it's going down. First race, we'll do 40 miles an hour. We'll go eco mode. So the Trackhawk will be in eco mode, which is 500 horsepower. And then if we have enough room, then we'll run the 700 horsepower going the same way. If not, we'll just turn around and do it.
Yeah.
And then if we have room, we'll try a 20.
Oh, and okay, also, so for everybody, because of the Dodge Demon video, so yeah. I'm not going to be able to paddle shift. Because
in
that's
eco mode, it kicks
right,
you out.
because eco mode.
The truth comes out!
I know.
Freaking fraud! He's a fraud!
Which we didn't, I didn't need.
So we gotta, we'll redo that race too, but we gotta get this one done.
Yeah.
This is for all the marbles. So we got $68
well, are you
from
gonna
the live
paddle
chat.
shift then too? Let's make it fair. Let's not.
I have to. It's got 10 gears. It won't shift down in time. Okay, for all the marbles, Canes and the live chat money. Here we go. TikTok Tang Stang versus Trackhawk.
Just to do it, you know. He says 5 points slow got violated without a rubber. Trackhawk in reverse. That would be actually really funny. David, Misa says his Type R would beat your Mustang. Here's $10 to go beat Dave tomorrow. That's the plan. They're just joining us. Let me know if you guys think who's gonna win between the Trackhawk and the Mustang tomorrow. Fun as always. I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys look out for the Trackhawk versus Mustang video tomorrow.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go beat Dave tomorrow. That's the plan.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go beat Dave tomorrow. That's the plan.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go beat Dave tomorrow. That's the plan.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go beat Dave tomorrow. That's the plan.
All right, guys, just as I thought, tank stang, tick-tock Mustang, my engine's blowing up. We won, baby. So that gift card is mine. Thank you, Derek Dowdy, for the canes.
Can't wait to go to Canes.
I get to keep my live chat money. Take Kennedy on a nice hot date. Boy, we dressing up to Canes. We wearing suits. We wearing ties. But no, just as I figured, and you know, on the eco mode, it wasn't even fair because this car makes like, I don't know, maybe 450 with just the tune, and Kevin's makes 500 to the crank. So they're pretty similar power, but his car's a lot heavier, so obviously the eco mode. But I was kind of worried about when he was on the 700 horsepower mode. I knew he would keep up with me at the beginning, and I knew he would jump on me, but I didn't think I'd come around him like that. But this thing, once it hits 80, man, it just gets going. But this thing's really slow in the low gears. And we did a 20 roll, and I spun a little bit, and so I started to come around him, but he let off. And the same thing with the 30 roll, because of the asphalt we were on. Actually, I didn't spin, and then when it went to shift, the traction light came on and it spun a little bit, so it kicked it out of power. I didn't turn traction control off. So it kicked power for like a second, and then it came back in. So that's why it took me longer on the 30 mile an hour to pass him, but we got him! Woo! Faster than the Trackhawk. 2018 Mustang GT on E85. I don't think it completely stock would beat him. He would definitely jump on me and probably stay ahead of me, but it wouldn't be too bad of a race, I don't think. But, so if you guys remember, 2018 completely stock Mustang GT, auto 10-speed, but it does have an E85 tune from Lund. Kevin's Trackhawk, completely stock, but has an intake and a mid-muffler delete. So, I definitely have the weight advantage. Shout out to Ford Mustangs out there. So guys, hopefully you liked that short video. Everyone's been wanting us to race ever since I raced the Demon. And if you heard Kevin say, we do have to re-race the Demon and the Mustang when the Demon's in eco mode because he paddle shifted, so it kicked it right back to 800 horsepower. But I'm guessing in eco mode, I would give him the gap sauce because it's the same horsepower as the Trackhawk in eco mode, although the Demon's a lot lighter than the Trackhawk. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe. Follow Kevin at CaliBoyKev. Follow me at VanV39, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah. 40. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3! '17 Camaro ZL1. Joe, tell them about the ZL1.
It's completely stock. It's a 6-speed, and
Ooh, man trans.
Yeah, all it's got is a Weapon X intake.